Hello guys, if you're building a website on Wix, SEO can feel tricky at first, but Wix has improved its SEO tools in 2025, making it much easier to rank. And here's a step-by-step guide to help you optimize your Wix site effectively. So, step 1 is using the Wix SEO setup checklist. Simply, start with Wix built-in SEO setup checklist. Go to your site's dashboard, click the Marketing and SEO, and here choose SEO setup checklist. Click on this and it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to simply start your SEO journey to get found on Google by clicking on Get Started. Now, choose your business or brand name, complete all the 3 steps here. Now, after you complete the 3 steps, you'll be taken to this page where you can see the SEO setup checklist. As you can see, the red alerts will be the things that you'll have to work on. So I'll have to get the homepage ready for Google search. I'll have to add the homepage description for search results, add text to homepage, allow indexing to make my homepage visible in search results, and connect the site to a custom domain. That is a premium feature and you'll have to upgrade to the Pro plan or any plan on Wix and connect this site to Google Search Console. Then I will have to navigate to step 2, that is optimizing the site pages for search engines, and the step 3, that is keep building on this site's SEO progress. So you'll have to basically follow this guided setup. It will walk you through the basic on-page SEO like adding page titles, descriptions, and alt text. Now, step 2 is optimizing page titles and meta descriptions. So click on each page, go to page settings, navigate to SEO basics, and write keyword-rich titles and descriptions. Keep titles under 60 characters and descriptions under 160 character. Make sure that your keywords match what people are actually searching for. Now, step 3 is improving URL structure and add keywords. So make sure that your page URL is clean and easy to read. Go to menu and pages, navigate to page SEO and customize URLs to remove extra words. Example, you can use /contact instead of /page3 contact us. Also, you should naturally add keywords to your header and page content. Now, Wix automatically generates a sitemap. So navigate to SEO tools and navigate to site verification to connect Google Search Console. So you'll have to basically click on connect to Google under SEO and LLM optimization. Once connected, submit your sitemap to Google to help your pages get indexed faster and start showing up in search results. Now, you can add internal links and improve mobile speed. Link your blog posts and key pages together to boost site structure. Also, run your site through Google's mobile-friendly test. And Wix sites are responsive, but you may need to compress images or simplify layouts to improve mobile load speed. Final verdict, Wix SEO in 2025 is a beginner-friendly but it still needs manual work to get good rankings. Follow the SEO checklist, focus on keywords, and submit your sitemap early. With some effort, you can get solid results without coding. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.